Go.
Oh man, I have this cough that I can't seem to get rid of.
Do you have a cough that you can't get rid of? Then you need coughbgone.
I'm gonna get that.
Guaranteed to get rid of your cough in less than 5 weeks. What a deal! For only 5 payments of $9.99.
$9.99, that's cheap.
The perfect formula of sugar and water mixed together, combustibly combined by scientists from Harvard University, ingeniously invented this coughbgone.
It's genius.
You could do anything you ever wanted to do.
I could go skydiving.
That's right. Side effects may include bloating, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, nightmares, occasional weight gain, and sudden change in hair color.
I feel my throat is getting better already.